Cooking and Baking with JCPL's online resources. Whether you want to up your holiday baking game or just cook more healthily, JCPL's online resources can help. Offered through Canopy, the Great Courses provides self-paced video courses taught by world-class professors. These videos don't count against the usual Canopy limit of 10 play credits. Some of the courses offered include Cooking with Vegetables, Everyday Gourmet, Making Great Meals in Less Time, and Baking Pastries and Desserts. To access the Great Courses, visit our website at jesspublib.org. Click on Research and Learning, and then click on Online Learning. Scroll down until you see the Great Courses. To get started, sign up to Canopy with your library card and PIN. If the link doesn't take you straight to the Great Courses, just type it in the search box at the top. And you'll see it comes up here under Suppliers. You'll find the cooking courses listed under Hobbies. Once you find a course you're interested in, click on it. You'll see most courses have multiple videos in the series. You don't have to watch them all at once, or even watch them all. You can skip around and watch whichever ones interest you. And then just click Play Episode. Universal Class offers over 500 self-paced online courses for patrons interested in the lifelong pursuit of knowledge for either personal or professional reasons. Courses include Bread Baking 101, How to Bake Cookies, and Pie Baking 101. Access Universal Class just as you would the Great Courses by visiting our website at jesspublib.org, clicking on Research and Learning, and then clicking on Online Learning. Scroll down until you find Universal Class. Enter your library card number to create an account. The cooking and baking courses are listed under Crafts and Hobbies in the course catalog. Narrow your results further by choosing Cooking and Baking in the menu at the left. Popular courses are displayed at the top of the page, or you can scroll down to see all of the courses available. I'm going to choose, let's go to Pie Baking 101. At the top of the page, you'll get a quick overview of the course, including the number of lessons, the number of exams and assignments, the average amount of time it will take to complete the course, and the number of CEUs or continuing education units that you can earn. Many courses in Universal Class can be taken in video-only mode or in normal mode. If the course is available in video-only mode, you'll see this icon of a video camera here. Scroll down to find out more about the course. In this case, there's a course description, a list of topics covered, and more. To sign up, choose Join this course. If the course is available in more than one mode, choose the one you prefer. Choose Video Only course if you only want to watch the video lessons. This allows you to watch the videos in any order you want, but you won't be able to interact with the course instructor or earn CEU credits. Choose the Certificate class if you want to earn CEU credits or a certificate of completion, and if you want to be able to get feedback from the instructor. The next two resources, AtoZ Food America and AtoZ World Food, don't provide video courses like the first two. Instead, they're great for finding recipes and learning about the history and culture of American and world food. You'll find both of these resources on our databases page. Visit our website at jespublib.org, click on Research and Learning, and then click on Databases or View All Databases. I'm going to start with AtoZ Food America. If you're logging in from home, enter your library card number. So there are a couple of different ways to browse. Let's start by clicking on the map to browse by state. And then let's click on Kentucky. So you can see that you get an overview of Kentucky cuisine and a little bit about the different types of food that we eat in Kentucky. I'm interested in classic dishes, so I'm going to click here. And since the weather's getting a little cooler, why don't we click on burgoo? So the recipe comes with an introduction that explains the dish's background. And if you scroll down, you can see that there's an actual recipe here. And one of the really nice things about AtoZ Food America is that you can go ahead and print out that recipe, or you can even share it by entering the email address of a friend, or you can email it to yourself. You can also browse by ethnic group or by region. Let's click here on Browse by Ethnic Group. And I'm going to choose Cherokee cuisine. And here you'll find specific information about Cherokee food, culture, and history. And you'll also find specific recipes down over here on the side. And this one looks pretty good. If you're looking for a specific dish, you can search at the top of the page. Browse AtoZ World Food by country, recipe, or ingredient, or conduct a search. Both AtoZ Food America and AtoZ World Food have a reference section. You can find food quotes, historical timelines, and even brief videos on food techniques. And don't forget, if you're looking for cookbooks, we have many print options in the library and ebook options in our e-library, which you can access at jespublib.org/e-library.